guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate a Discord server template so that your friends can use it if they want to make a new server and they want kind of like this channel. They just need to rename it. Super simple. Select this arrow pointing down under your server name. Make sure you're also an admin of the server or you own it. Select server settings, and then here you are going to select server template. Here you can create the template title. Maybe it's like a gaming community. You can also make a template description, like what people can do on the server. And once you're done, you're going to select generate template, and you're also going to copy it and give it around to people. You can also preview the template like this, and it's people can just simply rename stuff and add their own and rename the server and then press create. And here I'm just going to delete it because this is just a random server and the template isn't good. So I might make a template if you want me to for your server, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!